Today we're going to work out my brother. My brother is very experienced in lifting. He has more than 10 years of experience in lifting. But doing this kind of relative strength training is quite foreign to him. So today, I'm just going to have him try out my workout that I have done when I was still a late beginner. So what constitutes as a perfect push workout? A perfect push workout should target your lower, middle, upper chest, your anterior and your lateral delts, plus your triceps. So at this part of our lifting career, we do not need to overcomplicate things. We do not need to care about percentages or RPE. All we need to do is find a rep range that allow you to go to failure on your last set.
The first exercise will be ring dips for 4 sets, resting 2 minutes each. It will work heavily on your lower chest and triceps.
So when you get into position, what I want you to do is squeeze. You want to keep your core tight, keep your whole body tight, right? So go down all the way to parallel. So when you are at parallel, I want you to explode back up. Keep your hands straight, keep your body tight. So once in your position, I want you to twist and turn your rings out like this. So just gonna complete this motion until you get to failure.
Good try by my brother for his first few attempts. His range of motion and form is perfect. Your stability in holding yourself on the ring will improve with time. The second movement will be a decline push-up. It's going to heavily engage your upper chest and shoulders. If regular decline push-up is too easy, you can also opt to do a decline ring push-up. As with all exercise, remember to keep your core tight.
Try to go and complete full range of motion as slow as you can. Try to let your chest touch the ground. Remember to put your feet on an elevated surface. The third exercise will be ring push-up. Ring push-up is going to work on your overall chest, but as you can see, most of our movement is compound movement. So even though I say you're going to work on your overall chest, you're still going to work on your chest, shoulders, and your triceps. And that is the beauty of calisthenics. Most of the movement that you're going to do will be compound movement.
To properly do the ring push-up, I want you to keep your whole body tight. Once you go down, I want you to feel the stretch on your chest, and as you go up, I want you to explode.
This adducting motion will really engage your chest. You're going to contract it really hard, and your chest is going to blow up for sure.
If you're new to the movement, adducting might be quite hard, but that's okay. Just follow what my brother did. Go as close as you can and work your way up as you get stronger.
The planche push-up. The planche push-up is going to work heavily on your shoulders. So when you go down, try to lean forward as much as you can. The closer your hands are to your waist, the harder it will be.
The Pseudo planche push-up will really challenge you and is perfect for park workout. Your shoulder will be on fire, that's for sure. In the past, I did dumbbell shoulder press instead of Pseudo planche push-up. So if you have access to weights, you can definitely replace it.
The next exercise will be lateral raise. Lateral raise will give you that width that you're looking for. It's going to give you that V taper. So for the lateral raise, I want you to grip very tightly to the dumbbell. Then I want you to lift with your elbow instead of your hands. Alright? So you notice my movement? I'm leading, I'm imagining the weight is not on my hands but on my elbows. So find an angle that is going to limit your trap involvement. At this point, if you still have strength, you're just going to do some diamond push-up. Diamond push-up is going to work heavily on your triceps. Since this exercise is quite easy, you're just going to go fast and all the way to failure. Treat it as a burnout exercise. what do you think of this workout?
It was definitely a good workout. You know, being new to the gymnast ring, it is definitely challenging because it activates the core a lot more than I thought.
Your post-workout meal, right?